welcome to what I don't even know what day it is. Is it Wednesday? Is it Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. We are up bright and early. We have got an Ohana's reservation very shortly. Our reservation is at 7:40, so yeah, bright and early, but it's going to be fun. We've got that, and then we're going. I think we're going to go into Magic Kingdom for a. You don't have to stand directly behind me. Why are you standing directly behind me? So we're going to go to Magic Kingdom after that, and then maybe, I don't know what we're going to do. We've got Hoop-Dee-Do booked for 4 p.m. this afternoon, so we've got that, and then Happily Ever After we're definitely going to see tonight. The weather says it's going to be raining a bit this morning, so hopefully that means lower crowds in Magic Kingdom. We'll see. Anyway, join us at the Polynesian very shortly. Park the car and there's Polly. This is exciting. I love having a car. Like I would. Yeah.
I mean, we wouldn't if we weren't leaving.
No, like if we weren't doing other bits, but you know, if you come into these resorts, the problem is, like for food and stuff, the problem is you have to then go. Like we'd have had to go to Magic Kingdom this morning and then got the monorail or the ferry over here. And like, it's fine, we did that last time, but it just takes so much more time. And so it was just crashing into me, like looking into the middle of nowhere.
I was looking that way and you were looking this way.
But like it takes, yeah, like I was saying, it takes a bit longer, but you know, it's... We've just left at 7:10, and we're now here at what? 7:30, like, and
could have been here quicker.
Yeah. We're just just a bit, you know, a bit cautious and all that. It's all good. Look at this. It's great to just see all these resorts at Christmas. Yeah.
Why is there so much fire?
Well, it's the Polynesian stuff, isn't it? It's like the Hawaii vibes, like the tiki kind of...
They have it going all the time?
I think so. That's fun. Right. Let's go to the lobby. Here we go. There's a tree, and then they've got the Polynesian spot in the middle. Look at this. Right, so Ohana is just up there in that corner, so we're going to head up there now and get some breakfast. Okay, so we've not met any characters yet, but the food is out. So got Mickey waffles, Stitch waffles, potato wedges, eggs, sausage, like the pineapple ham, which they do here, then a biscuit, and then there's some fresh fruit, the pineapple bread, and yeah, there's the skillet with the rest of the stuff, and we've both got coffee and pog juice, which is pretty great. Pog juice, because it's like, what is it? Is it passion fruit, orange, guava?
Passion and orange.
Are you sure?
That's what she said.
Oh. I thought guava was it. I don't know what a guava.
That makes sense why it's POG, doesn't it? Oh no.
Yeah, that would be pag. passion fruit, orange, guava. I'm sure it is.
Maybe you're right.
I might be wrong. Anyway, as we discuss what pog juice means, we'll we'll be back when there's some characters about. Judging every single moment. Did you see the judgments on? She wasn't happy, was she? She's like, what the bloody hell are they doing here? What are they doing with sticks running around and maracas? Nah, she loves it really, don't you? I love this song. That's all it gets. Round 2, let's go.
Nani ka le'a le'a. That was so much fun. A big round of applause for the Ohana Aloha
Yay! Woo!
Our
I
Disney
can't
friends
do
will
it.
be back visiting with you shortly.
Also,
Have your cameras ready
look
to
at this
go,
view.
with big smiles and even
Like-
bigger hugs. Thank you so much.
I requested
for
a window
celebrating
seat,
with us here at
and
Ohana.
it's just amazing. You didn't know what, sorry?
Aloha.
Yeah. It's just so fun. I love it. It's my favourite. I'd love to stay here one day at Poly, but you know, I also want to stay at the Contemporary, so I've got to weigh up my which one of those I stay at. Because we were just talking, and I think at best we'll get one night in one of these, but you know. Hey, can I get a picture for her? Is that okay? Can we do it? We got Lilo photobombing then. Thank you, Pluto. Oh, hang on, sorry. Hi, Pluto. Hey, Mickey.
Yeah, Minnie. Come on, Minnie.
Hey, Mickey. Oh, I like the shirts. You're looking good.
Get a picture.
Oh, amazing. And then can we get a picture as well? Is that okay? Yeah, we can cross arms. Yeah. It's the only stitch one. I promise most of them are built for all of you. Can we take a selfie with 3 of us? Oh, amazing. Thank you, Mickey. See ya. Can we get a picture, Lilo? I'll take a picture of you too. Amazing. Can I get one as well? Oh, I know. I've got Stitch on there. It's nice to meet you, Lilo. And then can we do a selfie, all 3 of us? Oh, amazing. Thank you, Lilo. See ya. Hey, Stitch. Amazing. Oh, I know. I thought, you know, we're coming to see you. I need to show you how much I love you. Amazing. Then can we do a selfie with 3 of us? Thank you so much, Stitch. I was meeting Stitch and Lilo and Mickey and Pluto. I think Pluto was my favourite, actually. Pluto. I enjoyed meeting Pluto the most, I think. But, I mean, I enjoyed meeting them all. It's always fun. But Pluto's interaction was a lot of fun. Right, shall we? How was your food? Yeah.
50 million potatoes.
I can't believe how many potato wedges you got, and 9 sausages they brought over. 9 extra sausages they brought over for 2 people. Whew. Right, we're gonna pay now then, and then we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom because I've got boarding group 12 for Tiana's, which is very exciting. So let's go do that. And we are in the Magic Kingdom, just like that. Oh, I love it. We spent far too many days in this place. Like, cause I always say Epcot's my favourite, and I think it is, but we end up in here all the time. Yeah, that's true. Oh, the Dapper Dans are here. Oh, look at them in their festive gear. Ah. Oh. I wondered why there was a smell of poo all of a sudden, and I realised it's because the person following the horse You think? No, because you always get a cheer. You always get a cheer. Oh, look at these! I've never seen these in the windows. It's like the Christmas Carol story. Oh, these are nice. There's good old Scrooge McDuck. Right. So I got boarding group 12 this morning for Tiana's. So I'm going to head over there now. Park's only just opened. I don't think I've been called just yet, but surely I'm going to get called soon. So, yeah.
So fun.
I know. I don't know why. I wonder why do we keep eating large meals and then I go on rides that just do a drop? So the other day we did the barbecue rodeo, and then I had to do Tower of Terror shortly after, and then we've just had lots of yeah, had to. I was forced to. My arm was twisted, they would say. And now we're doing Tiana's. Or I'm doing Tiana's. You have got a boarding group if you want to come in the queue, though.
What?
Yeah. So Zoe really doesn't want to do this ride, but I think it'd be fun for Zoe to come and see the line. So I have got her a boarding group if she fancies it. Then she can back out last minute. I've shown her that there's the exit right at the. You don't want to even do the line. What do you mean? I don't know. You don't have to. It's just a. And here we are. Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Pardon? No, we took it, didn't we? Oh, there was the photo pass. We'll go on first and then we'll potentially do it after. Groups boarding 1 to 19, so that's me. So I've just rode not Big Thunder. We're about to ride Big Thunder. I've just done Tiana's twice, which was amazing. Love that ride. Animatronics are just great, so good. Zoe said, "Go and ride this." So I was like, "Oh no, you've sat and waited twice now for a ride." It was a walk-on Tiana's twice, so it wasn't a super long wait, but yeah. So, but no, she insisted, so I'll gladly come and do Big Thunder. Okay, Big Thunder Mountain down, and now It's a 13 minutes wait on Haunted Mansion. Yes, please. Legendary tiger. We all love the tiger. Oh, still there. Not a lot going on in the in the merry-go-round today. I think they're all on break. Take me back to the day Ellen Beast fell in love. Let's go to the far end.
Ready to begin?
We're right over here in the corner.
Bonjour, everyone!
Bonjour!
Aren't you a good-looking bunch? Especially you in the back. This is so exciting. Tonight's the night Belle and the Beast fall in love. At least we hope so. And to help move things along, you're all going to surprise Belle and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait.
What do you think? Can we do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Wonderful! And we have enough parts for everyone! First, we need 2 big, strong suits of armor to march around and protect the castle.
I shall call her in, and when she enters, we'll all shout, surprise!
What a bright idea, Lumiere. When I shout now, we'll all shout surprise. But, Lumiere, can we all blow out the candles together, monsieur?
But of course.
Make a wish, everyone. Perfect.
Well, where are you, mademoiselle?
No! Surprise!
It looks like the entire village is with us. Why, we have a princess and a bookseller too. Oh, this is all so wonderful. Even our 2 great suits of armor. Now, Lumiere, what do you have planned for us today?
Well, shall we, before your big dinner with the master tonight, we thought it would be fun to act out a story with you.
Oh, I do love many stories.
Very well. Let us begin. Once upon a time, there was a charming, intelligent young woman whose name was Belle.
Oh, like me.
Belle lived in a quiet little village, and each morning to everyone, Belle would say, bonjour.
Bonjour, everyone.
Bonjour.
Then, one night, when her father was away on a journey, Belle heard the sound of galloping.
Everyone gallop!
Okay, we have got the spring rolls. Where do you want to eat the spring rolls? Should we go into the hub? That's the word I was looking for. What?
Oh, is that?
The hub's the middle bit. That's the word I couldn't think of the other day. Okay, so we're going to be heading out now. I think we've kind of done what we wanted to do in Magic Kingdom. We weren't originally planning on coming in Magic Kingdom, to be honest. But we thought, being as we were in Ohana's this morning, we thought, why not come, we're right next to it. Let's just hop on the monorail and head in. So that's what we did. It's been a good morning. and it's now, what time is it now? It's now 12:30, so we're going to head back, grab the car from the Polynesian, and then we've got Hoop-Dee-Do at 4 o'clock, so we've got a couple hours to chill before Hoop-Dee-Do later on. And as if by magic, we have time jumped to Hoop-Dee-Do. So we're at Fort Wilderness. Oh my days, the amount of times I've got Fort Wilderness and Wilderness Lodge mixed up is unreal. We were even in the queue to to get the boat over to Fort Wilderness by accident.
I only just found out there were 2 different places.
Yeah, Zoe thought they were the same. So, but we are here finally with 20 minutes to spare, so loads of time really. We are here, Pioneer Hall, all ready for Hoop-Dee-Do. Cannot wait for this. Heard some great things. Our friends Em and Ryan highly recommended this one. And yeah, I can't wait. I think a few other friends recommended as well, to be fair, but you know.
Except I think they have the opposite view to me, where they really want to be on stage and I really don't.
Yeah, right, so let's go check in. We are checked in and ready. I'm very excited for this. It's very Christmassy around here as well, which is really nice. If I can do this, show you. So they've got all their garlands, what are they called? Christmas garlands up. So looking very festive, very exciting. Right, 5 minutes and then we'll be in.
Howdy folks, welcome to the Hoop-Dee-Do! My new friends from New Hampshire are gonna ring that bell and invite you all to dinner! Go ahead and bring it back. There you go! Come and get it! Beautiful! Howdy folks, welcome
Hey there.
to Hoop-Dee-Do. Join us, 13 please. Join us, 34. Thanks, how are you?
Oh my days. Ah, incredible. Thank you.
So all the drinks in the middle portion of the menu are included.
Okay.
Everything at the bottom is a little extra.
Okay.
All the food at the top is what's going to come out. It just comes out family style.
Amazing.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Enjoy the show.
Are we here or not?
I want to be here if that's okay.
Of course it is.
Oh my days. Oh my goodness.
This is not helping my fear of being asked on stage.
What a seat. We are literally on the edge of the table. Yeah, wow.
The edge of the table.
Wow. Yeah, the edge of the table.
Welcome to Pioneer Hall and the Pioneer Hall players, that's us.
Sure, okay, but can't you?
We was held over from our previous engagement.
And then the stagecoach broke down, and you know what? You don't have to be so long-winded, Miss Flora. We got a show today! Crazy fire up that arch. Yeah! Musicians, if you please. Come on, folks, clap your hands. It's crazy, it's like a Hoop-Dee-Do. Thanks so much for coming, we got love for you. Just relax and see us, well, enjoy the show. Be sure to Here's a friend that's full of hum. Come say hello to Sixpence Slocum.
Here comes the drum, y'all. We got a little fun on the whip. Lots of hoots and laughs for you. Won't you bring this jolly crew?
Prince of Rare singing Andy. Here's Jim Handy.
Well, howdy, folks, and a big hello. Welcome to the show. It's step and line, it's there, our song and dance team, Johnny and Claire. Well, folks, hello and welcome. Like Sixpence said, we are the Pioneer Hall Players, and we travel around from fort to fort, bringing our Hoop-Dee-Do review to all you pioneers.
And all you weary travelers, we hope we're a sight for sore eyes.
Yeah, and in his case, the sorer, the better.
Oh, well, it goes talking.
I had the idea for the show a while back, and Dolly joined right up quick.
That's right, Jim, because every show needs a shining star.
Yeah, we're still looking for one, so if anybody has
Then we got lucky and found Johnny and Claire in Chicago.
It was awful. We were stranded and out of a job.
We were between engagements, as they say. Then the lovely Miss Ford came along, and
And we've been making beautiful music ever since.
my turn.
oh yeah. And then there's Sixpence. Well, he just kind of, sort of.
Tagged along after me.
Golly, don't go getting your hopes up.
Sixpence Slocum, do you want me to tell these folks how he really found you?
No, I don't.
You see, he was sneaking out of town, don't make his hotel.
Well, hold on now.
Well, maybe you ought to see things my way.
Hell, maybe. You ought to take my arm.
That's better.
Great.
Bye.
So you see, folks, we come from all over the country, and I bet y'all have too. Why, I bet there are folks out there joining us from every single state.
Yeah, Jim, and something overseas.
Yeah.
Like Canada. Let's find out where everybody's from. Dolly, Claire. Oh, they come from all over when they come. Oh, they come from all over when they come.
They come from all over. And this song is gonna show you how they come from all over when they come. After you, Miss Claire. After you, Miss Claire. After me, darling.
Welcome to the Hoop-Dee-Do Review.
Wow. I tried to film, so I filmed it on this camera, but obviously we're so close that it's hard to get everything in shot, so it's probably not been the best footage, but wow. I can't believe what's going on. Like, they bring the food out like as you're watching that, and I was just like very overwhelmed. I was like, am I supposed to eat this whilst watching this? And like, I'm enjoying it. It's a lot of fun. The food's good. I've had some chicken and ribs so far, and some cornbread and some coleslaw and yeah, beans, mash. Yeah, it's great. What are you thinking so far?
I don't like it when you do this because you've said it all. It's pressure. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, that's good. Glad you're enjoying it. And we've got the banjo going on in the background. It's a lot of fun. Loving it. It's so much fun. Right, let's keep going.
We're glad you're gonna eat. We've got
that applause go for Professor Tommy and Jack Bill and their fine music. And now that you have your main course entree, as they say in stylish places like St. Louis, why don't you go ahead and loosen up those belts?
Yeah, loosen up whatever's binding you.
Let it all hang out.
That's too far.
Sorry, don't do that.
Now that y'all had dinner, I hope you save some room for dessert, because we got something real special for you.
That's right, Flora. And speaking of something special, the Pioneer Hall Players are proud to present the finest song and dance team this side of the Mississippi. Miss Claire DeLune and Mr. Johnny Ringo.
Thank you. Stop the show. Miss Claire, I'm sorry to interrupt. Before you and Johnny do your routine for everybody,
Yes.
would you show me how you do them fancy feet steps?
Ooh, I would love to, Sixpence. You just watch me, okay?
Okay. All right, my love. How about
Just a second, honey.
free dance lesson?
First,
Yeah.
you put your right foot in.
Oh. Okay.
Then, you put your right foot out.
I love out.
You put your right foot in.
That's more fun than the club that you take
And you shake it all about. Yeah, do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Show 'em, Johnny!
Put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Both hands. Both hands in, both hands out, both hands in, shake it all about. Do the hokey pokey, turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Yeah!
Holly, what's going on? You all right?
We need to talk, Jim.
Okay, all right. Talk. Let's talk.
It's about your dancing.
Oh, really? Johnny,
Your dancing was so good! It was so good! It got me so excited! I think I'd like to have a turn now. Ha!
Oh, okay. Well, Dolly. Dolly, why don't you put in your hip?
My hip?
Yes.
Oh, I could never put in my hip.
Really?
I see Dolly put her hip in, right?
No!
Yeah!
No!
Yeah!
No!
Yeah!
I'd love to. You put your right hip in. You put your right hip out. It's my good side. You put your right hip in.
Go ahead.
And you shake it all Look at you grin! You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Yahoo! Sixpence, it's your turn.
I don't know if my mama would approve, but I'll do it. All right, what do you want me to put in? My head or my elbow, my knee?
Your
my
backside.
Backside. You put your back. Wait a minute. I am not putting my backside out there.
Why not?
These people are going goo-goo. It's weird. Backside.
Yeah.
Backside. Here we go. You put your backside in. Sorry, kids. You put your backside out. Come here. You put your backside in and you shake it all up. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Everything. Woo!
Everything in, everything out, everything in, shake it all out. You don't put me turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Right foot in.
Come on, everybody, clap those hands. Come on.
Left foot in. Both hands. Yeah, baby. Rip, rip, rip. Backside. Everything out, everything in, shake it all out. You don't put me turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Everybody yelling, scream for Johnny and
Away, you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Away, I'm bound away, across the wide Missouri. 'Tis 70 since last I've seen you. And here you rolling river. 'Tis 7 years since last I've seen you. Away, we're bound away, across the wide Missouri.
This valley, they say you are poetic. I would miss your sweet face and your smile, and my life it would be yours forever. We would stay here alive and come sit by my side.
To the sparkling
Not
sands
easy to win me. I do. Just remember
This was
this land, my love for you. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulfstream waters. This land was given to
in a cavern, in a canyon, excavating for mine. Lived a miner, 49er, and his daughter, Clementine.
Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine. You will all stay gone forever. It's sorry, Valentine. Call me butter, cause I'm on a roll. They keep giggling at me. Keep letting the half of my song. I'd appreciate any help you could give me. I mean, you might like the singing. You probably want to keep it in the show.
All right, 6 bits, I'll listen. You just get on out there and sing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Musicians, Beautiful Dreamer, key of R.
Oh.
wait. I'll meet you. Beautiful dreamer.
All right, now take to the top. Beautiful dreamer. Pick up the left side.
Queen of my song.
Pick up the right side.
Let's follow the lead.
Now pick up both sides.
All right, I meant to do that. All of the cares of life's free for all.
Just wiggle it all the way down to the bar.
Beautiful dreamer awaken to me.
All right, now take it back to the tippy top. Clap your hands. Down on a summer day, stop on the day on the day, jolly good and shiny, rocky, tastes so sweet that tastes so strong, no stop. And you had the berry, we now report, got strawberry short, the strawberry short, strawberry shortcake. Now when you see your son around the house, give him a cheer. You may think that this is the end. Well, it is. Yum, yum. Now, folks, we would like to thank a real...
Pageantry and pathos pertaining to a person of the past and the present.
We're ready.
Perfect. The Ballad of Davy Crockett.
Oh, Davy Crockett, my hero. Born on a mountain, Tennessee, greenest state in the land of the free. Raised in the woods, so we knew every tree. Picked him apart, he was only 3. Davy Crockett, where you don't know fear.
Let me see, honey. Oh, Teddy, it's just you. Boy, Teddy, it sure is hot out.
Yeah, it's unbearable.
It must be one tending a shade.
Why is it so hot while you're wearing that fuzzy little hat?
Well, Teddy, what would you suggest?
If I was you, I'd walk around in my bare skin.
Davy Crockett, where you don't know fear. Aha! Now I've got you.
Wait a minute, hold it, cut. Folks, it looks like Davy's in trouble. Let's bring out his friend, the trusty wilderness scout.
Oh, please do.
And action.
Help me, Davy, help me.
Yes, let's look for her. Let's look right. And now look left. Do you see her? Well, nothing gets by you. I'll save you, ma'am.
And cut. How about a hand for the trusty wilderness scout?
Oh, it's work. Right, Gina?
That's right, darling. Let's make this the rowdiest place in all of the wilderness. The Pioneer Hall Players!
One more time. Time to get up, moving out of town. Let's go down to the Hoop-Dee-Do. Oh, we had a good time tonight. Good night, gentlemen. Good night, people. We're going to leave now.
are back in Magic Kingdom. I loved Hoop-Dee-Do. It was so good. All 6 of them are so talented. Wow, amazing. The food not as good as it could have been, but you know, you're going for the experience more than the food. And you know, the show itself is incredible. And yeah, we then got the ferry back over to Magic Kingdom, and in just over, well, about an hour and a half, the fireworks will be starting, which is very exciting. So yeah, we'll I guess see what's what, and you know, maybe ride a ride or two in the meantime. I don't imagine we'll be waiting in the middle of Main Street for too long. I don't want to, unless we decide we want to find, you know, a really good spot, but or we don't find there's nothing else to do. But I think we'll probably ride a couple of rides and then head to the hub or Main Street. We'll see. But yeah, right. We're gonna head down Main Street, I guess, and maybe head to Tomorrowland. We'll see. I'm not sure.
That nefarious criminal, the sworn enemy of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Zurg.
Team Space Ranger, do your reading. During your mission, remain seated with your hands.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory we change by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.
Yeah!
Truly a body miracle. Please don't try at home though, because you'll plug your the faucet every single time.
Hello. I can't remember if we ended the video last night or if we just came home and went to sleep. I think we did that. So yeah, happily ever after. Was amazing. We then rode Jingle Cruise, as you saw. I think I filmed a little tiny bit of that. And then after Jingle Cruise, we kind of just did a lap of Magic Kingdom, and there was nothing really that was so low that we were like, oh, let's go ride that. And our feet were starting to ache at that point, so we're like, I think it's time to go home. So after about, I think it was about half an hour after the fireworks, we went to get the buzz, which was a mistake. Really, we should have probably waited a bit longer, because we went to the Pop Century buzz line, and it was insane. So they use, if you've been to the buzz areas, each number is for one resort. So I think Pop was like 24 or 26 or something like that. But they used 2 sections worth for Pop Century Resort guests for queuing after the fireworks, I guess. And that area was completely filled. So you think you're waiting. There must have been, I guess, 4 or 5 buses worth of people in there. So then we looked over to Art of Animation, and theirs was the same. There was two sets of people, two sets of numbered areas that had people waiting in them, and theirs was a quarter of the line. So we were like, Art of Animation is literally across the road. Let's go and queue with them. So we did that, and I'm so glad we did, because Pops did not move. Art of Animation must have had about 4 buses come in, whilst Pop had 1. As we were leaving and we got on the bus for Art of Animation, we did see that they must have been an issue with Pop's entry for some buses for some reason, because they bought like a double bus, like a bendy bus. Yeah, like a bendy bus. So clearly there was something going on with Pop. We jumped on the Art of Animation one, got back. And then we pretty much I fell asleep watching I fell asleep watching TV, so that shows how tired I was. Zoe literally went straight to sleep, and I just